Hey, this is Jonathan with Red Dwarf Pro Wash. We're just outside of DC, and I'm here with Craig. I was telling him one of the things that we have is a contract with a commercial cleaning project. It's a strip mall, a couple restaurants, and they've got a couple of bad ones, Chinese food restaurant and also a Cajun restaurant, where they have hired contractors in the past. They've been unable to get it completely clean. We came in, we used groundskeeper and also double eagle. The concrete came out pristine, really brought out the grease that was in there, and just surface cleaned it, used hot water obviously, really extracted all of the grease out of there. The clients have been completely happy with the products that we've been able to provide to them, and we've actually been able to sign extra contracts. They're a large property management company. Just by doing that with that one property, been able to extrapolate that out to many other properties. So can't say enough about F9 and their products.